So if you could be known for only one thing, what would that be?
A guy that shows people how to have freedom.
What is the greatest lesson in leadership you've learned as an entrepreneur?
Um, don't follow others.
What personal characteristic has been most pivotal to your success?
Without a shadow of a doubt, tenacity.
Ah, love it. All right, here, random question just to mix it up a little bit. Tell me when to stop cutting.
Stop.
All right. Top question. Which historical time period would you most like to visit?
That's a great one. I would say the Roaring Twenties.
Ooh, love it. Great choice. Yeah, I was thinking medieval times, but then I was just thinking I don't want to live in one of those cold castles on a day like this. All
Yeah.
right. What is one tip or trick that investors can implement in their business today?
I can show you how to take $1,000 and turn it into $100,000 in note income over time. A
Beautiful.
leveraging strategy for retirement accounts.
Can you name a book that's helped to forge you as a leader or as an entrepreneur and tell us why?
My favorite book is Never Split the Difference. It's
Love
not
it.
just about negotiating, it's about the nature of people.
Yeah, exactly. It's about life. Love that one. Give us a quote to help forge our listeners. Can you send us out with a quote to help forge our listeners as leaders and entrepreneurs?
If your income is growing faster than your net worth, you're going in the wrong direction.
Aha. All right. Well, that's a perfect way to wrap. I just want to make sure everybody has the opportunity to reach out to you. What is the best way to reach out to Eddie Speed? Email,
I
website, carrier
I
pigeon?
have a special gift for your audience if I can give it to them.
Please. I
I'm going to
love
give your audience a little class. I'm going to give them a book. I'm going to give them a lot of leave behind reading materials. I'm going to give them a kit to figure out if notes might fit them and what that looks like. So they're going to go to noteschool.com/foundry. And when they do that, they are going to be able to get this gift. And I think it's really going to be cool.
All right, beautiful. Well, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to share your knowledge and experience with our audience, Eddie.
I'm so glad I got to be here.
Thank you.